Peace be upon you. Mania, buddy, wherever you are. Hopefully, healthy, always. Okay, Buddy Mania. Tonight, we are in the Holy Tick Terminal. Okay, follow along for the latest video, this time from our... Tonight, for the unit, Nubas, from Herianto Pre-Order, which was just released yesterday, from Karoseri Mountain Masya, Bodit Zeppelin Gex. So, yesterday that there are two bus fleet that releases from this Karoseri Mountain and tonight, the unit in the Holy Tick Terminal. Well, this, don't know yet this is going to glue or just help ya friends. So 2 units yesterday, same yabadi ipelingi. For delivery, livery is also the same by the chassis. Mercedes-Benz OH 1626, air suspension, so, for those special to this unit, this is gonna be a super class. First executive of pre-order Haryanto, yeah? Well, this guys, we see the interior of the road, yeah? Well, this is for the view of the cabin. There is a mic to yes this. Well, like this, for the look of the dashboard. Mercedes-Benz O16 Prayer 6. Well, this is it. Special guys for the latest class of pre-order Herianto is the Super Executive Unit. 1222. 12, yes. So, for Super Executive, that 12. It's the trend in this day and age. For example, this privacy. For example, for this girl. This one person can order in the... Surprise this YouTube, yes indeed. Again, the trend, yeah guys. Well, this is for the interior. There's AC, hole, variations, then yes, lamps for USB charger is not there yet. Well, this is for the little stuff place. Sono cup is nice. It's like this if there's a lid. Age is prone to sound. Well, this is for the toilet in the back. This seat is still wrapped. Well, this is plastic. Made Lancer Friends. I thought it was going to be made in... It turns out that this is made of curtain relief. It's the same, Mr. Aziz, for the one you brought earlier. This unit goes straight back to the Holy Garage. So still prep for his unit before the inaugural line. So, 2 units will be built. Executive driver, your friends. This is R150. We Connect. PJR Muria. Raya ini Janari. Well, for this fleet in Topendes, Mercedes-Benz O16 Duet 6 with a jet-bodied bus too. And for this fleet, usually fill line Jakarta, yes. For this unit, the information is also enter the reborn list of friends for this unit. Let's just wait and see if the unit dari Bornya is so we will update again. Atmosphere tonight ya in shelter Waryanto Terminal Holy Tick. there is a unit. Fatahana HR 100 line, 140 line. Jepara Polres ya. This is the Night Force. With body Avanti H7 of carosserie Tentrem in Sasis Topangi Mercedes-Benz 016-6. Well, it's the night time. From pre-order Herianto in the Holy Tick Terminal. So the regular ones have all left. This is staying. The Night Force, usually for class tonight, from Jepara, Jakarta. Yes, still from Jepara, Jakarta. For the Teo Starch area, there is no... Usually, only 3 fleets. Leaving in the class tonight. Well, this is Fleet Pacar Muria Raya, which is waiting for his ribbon as well. If yesterday that was the driver Masu Ziono offered, want ribbon, Nino Arem, what is this? Well, that's just offer. Yes, we wait for further information only. Night Force on this day. This is it, Maz Biding. The person in charge at Len Muria Raya from Pak Waliantoya. This exists. This Agent Sir. Leaving the Holy Tick Terminal. 8.0. Oh, more yes, 8 more nights. I hope the fleet is safe until the destination. So, for this video, from our more or less, sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. Greetings, Herianto Mania.